Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make Thakkali or tomato dosa. This is different from the regular dosa because it has spice and flavor to it. So it's actually very easy to make because this is an instant one. Now let's see how to make it. In a pan I'm adding oil. I'm going to saute a few ingredients and then grind it to a nice fine puree. I'm going to add some small onions which I've cut, and then ginger and garlic. I'm going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add dried tomatoes. If you've already added salt in the dosa batter, don't add salt in this. I've already added, so I'm not going to add. I totally forgot to add dry red chilies. This actually gives the spice, and some Asafoetida and some turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Now I'm going to let this cook for about 4 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes and everything has cooked well. So I'm going to let it cool off and then grind it to a nice fine puree. So I have here fermented dosa batter. I've not added water or anything. It's very important that you don't add water. You use fresh dosa batter also. So I have a recipe for how to make dosa in a mixie. So you can see it's nice and thick, so when I add the puree it won't become watery. So that's why I usually do it in a freshly fermented batter, so it'll be nice and thick. So I'm going to add a little bit here in a bowl. So I have the dosa batter and also I have the puree. I'm going to add it. So I'm going to mix everything together. So this is done. I'm going to do a small tadka for this batter. It's just a simple tadka. Adding oil, mustard seeds, jeera. So once this crackles, I'm going to switch off the flame and finally add curry leaves. So I'm mixing everything, and this is the consistency of the batter. Let this cook completely. It has to brown, and I'll be turning it, and basically Thakkali or tomato dosa is done. So yeah guys, Thakkali or tomato dosa is ready. I have some coconut chutney and red chutney. I'm gonna have this for breakfast. This is so good without any chutney. Actually, it'll be spicy and flavorsome without any chutney. It's awesome. Love it. I'm gonna make like 2 more dosas and I'm gonna have this for breakfast. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.